Okay, we're gonna do some video on undefined expression. So this kind of question will be find the number that makes the expression undefined, or which value of the variable makes the expression undefined. So in case number one, just if x equals 0, that makes this undefined. Also, you can simplify the x, and that's equal 12. So 0 could be an answer, but also none could be an answer. So in this case, there's no x to simplify, so x equals 0. So this one for sure, this is an answer. This one, remember, undefined is when the denominator is 0. Undefined, denominator is 0. So here, the number that makes this undefined is minus 2, because minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So we get 0 in the denominator. So here is not just one value. Here there is two values in some of this. So again, this one you can simplify the m's, and you have 5 over m plus 4. So the value that makes this expression undefined is minus 4. But also sometimes the 0 too, because the 0 times this is equal 0. So depend on the exercise and the question. So here is 0 because n equals 0, multiplying this is 0, and also minus 4 because minus 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 times n, it will be 0. So those two values make this expression undefined. Let's go to this one. So here you can do common factor. You can put 2 outside, d plus 4. So this d plus 4 is simplified with d plus 4. You have 2 over d, and then the value that makes this undefined is 0. But sometimes remember, depending on the question and the exercise, they consider also the minus 4. Even if you can simplify, it doesn't matter. Okay, so it depends on the exercise really. So let's do the last two. So here's 3 values. So we have 0, because if m equals 0, that makes it undefined. We have minus 4, because minus 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 times all this is 0. And also we have 3 positive. So we have 0, minus 4, and 3, because 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. And in this one we have, well, here there are 2 variables. So basically n equals 0 will be 1, or y equal. So when we have a number here, this will be a fraction. A fraction that gives me 4 positive, because 4 minus 4 is 0. So that will be, to have a 4 here, y have to be 4 over 3. Because 4 over 3, when you multiply by 3, you simplify the 3, and the answer is 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. So this could be also a fraction. So the variable y is 4 over 3. That makes this expression undefined.